Did you know that right now, trillions of tiny organisms are working hard to keep you healthy? And no, this isn't science fiction. It's happening inside your gut. Welcome to your complete guide to the most powerful supplements for gut health. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of your microbiome. Think of your gut as a bustling city. Inside, billions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms make their home. This city, what scientists call your microbiome, isn't just about digesting food. It's your body's command center for health. Every single day, these microscopic residents influence everything, from your immune system to your mood, and even your weight. About 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. That's right, those bacteria aren't just freeloaders. They're your first line of defense against illness. When your gut is healthy, these beneficial bacteria act like trained security guards, identifying threats and rallying your immune system to fight off harmful invaders. But when your gut health is compromised, it's like leaving the city gates wide open. You might be wondering, can't I just eat healthy food? Absolutely. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods is the foundation of gut health. But here's the reality. Modern life, stress, processed foods, and antibiotics can all disrupt our gut balance. That's where supplements come in, not as replacements, but as targeted support for your gut health goals. That's why supporting your gut health is so important. It's not just about digestion, it's about your entire well-being. Let me share something fascinating with you. Your gut actually communicates with your brain through something called the gut-brain axis. That's right. These tiny organisms in your gut can influence your mood, your energy levels, and even your mental clarity. But here's what most people don't realize. Supporting your gut health isn't just about taking random supplements. It's about understanding which supplements work, how they work, and when to take them. In the coming chapters, I'll show you exactly how to choose the right supplements, the ones backed by real science, and how to use them effectively. But first, let's understand the powerhouse players in gut health. Chapter 2, Probiotics, the Foundation. Now, let's talk about the heavyweight champion of gut supplements, probiotics. These aren't just another health trend. They're living microorganisms with real scientific proof behind them. How probiotics work. Picture this. Your gut is like a vibrant garden. Probiotics, they're the beneficial plants you're adding to this garden. But here's what makes them special. These friendly bacteria work in 3 powerful ways. First, they crowd out harmful bacteria. Imagine filling up all the parking spots so the troublemakers have nowhere to land. Second, they strengthen your gut barrier. Think of them as repair crews, patching up tiny holes in your gut's protective wall. And third, they actually communicate with your immune system, training it to respond better to threats, choosing the right probiotics. Here's where it gets crucial. Not all probiotics are created equal. On every label, you'll see something called CFU. That's colony-forming units. Now, while more isn't always better, research shows you want at least 1 billion CFU. Some strains might need even more to be effective. And here's a pro tip. Look for products containing well-researched strains like Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium species. These are the proven performers in the probiotic world. Here's a question I get all the time. When is the best time to take probiotics? Well, let me share something interesting. Research suggests taking them with or just before a meal may actually improve their survival. Why? Because your food acts like a protective shield, helping these beneficial bacteria reach your gut safely. And here's another vital tip. If you're taking antibiotics, space out your probiotic dose by at least 2 hours. Otherwise, it's like sending your reinforcements straight into an ambush. Probiotics are only half the story. Next up, prebiotics. Here's where it gets really interesting. Think of prebiotics as the special fuel that powers your gut's beneficial bacteria. Imagine you're planting a garden. Probiotics are like adding new plants, but prebiotics, they're the rich soil these plants need to thrive. Without them, taking probiotics is like planting seeds in desert sand. These special fibers do something remarkable. They become premium fuel for your beneficial bacteria, helping them thrive and multiply, creating a stronger, healthier gut environment. Think of it this way. Just like a garden needs the right soil and nutrients, your gut bacteria need the right food to flourish. Speaking of fiber, let's talk about one of the most research-backed supplements for gut health. Psyllium husk. This isn't just any fiber. It's a prebiotic superstar that acts like a gentle scrub brush for your digestive system. What makes it special? Unlike some fiber supplements, psyllium husk creates a gel-like substance that helps both constipation and diarrhea. It's like having a smart traffic controller for your digestive system. Next up is L-glutamine, an amino acid that deserves more attention. Think of it as spackle for your gut wall. When your gut lining gets damaged, whether from stress, poor diet, or medications, L-glutamine provides the raw materials needed for repair. Research shows it can be especially helpful for people with leaky gut or inflammatory bowel conditions. Now let's talk about the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. You might be surprised to find this here, but recent research has revealed that vitamin D is crucial for gut health. It helps maintain the integrity of your gut barrier and regulates your gut immune system. Plus, studies show that people with gut issues often have low vitamin D levels. Let's talk about zinc, a mineral that's like a security guard for your gut barrier. While most people know zinc for fighting colds, research shows it plays a crucial role in maintaining your intestinal lining. Think of zinc as the mortar between the bricks of your gut wall. Without enough of it, those walls start to develop tiny cracks. What makes zinc especially powerful for gut health? It helps produce digestive enzymes, supports your gut's immune cells, and even helps maintain the mucus layer that protects your gut lining. Next up, omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These aren't just good for your brain, they're like peacekeepers in your gut. While inflammation is your body's natural response to threats, too much of it can damage your gut. That's where omega-3s come in. These fatty acids work like natural fire extinguishers, helping to calm excessive inflammation in your gut. But they do more than that. Recent research shows they can actually help increase the diversity of your gut bacteria. Think of it like creating the perfect environment for a thriving ecosystem in your gut. Our final powerhouse supplement is one that's been used for thousands of years: ginger. But don't let its ancient origins fool you. Modern science has confirmed what traditional healers knew all along. What makes ginger special? It contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that do double duty. First, they help speed up stomach emptying, which can reduce bloating and discomfort. Second, they have impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Unlike some harsh anti-inflammatory substances, ginger is gentle on your gut lining while still being effective. It's particularly well-researched for reducing nausea and supporting healthy digestion. Chapter 3. Safety and Usage. Best timing. Timing isn't everything, but when it comes to gut supplements, it can make a big difference in how well they work. Let me share some science-backed strategies that can maximize your results. Practical guidelines. For probiotics, research suggests taking them with or just before a meal may improve their survival and effectiveness. This is because food can help buffer stomach acid, creating a more favorable environment for the beneficial bacteria to reach your gut. Psyllium husk is different. You'll want to take it with plenty of water, either an hour before meals or a couple of hours after. And here's a pro tip. Start with a small amount and gradually increase to avoid any digestive discomfort. Drug interactions. Now, this is crucial. Supplements might be natural, but they're still powerful compounds that can interact with medications. Here are some key interactions to watch for. Psyllium can affect how well your body absorbs certain medications. so keep at least a 2-hour gap between them. If you're on antibiotics, time your probiotics at least 2 hours apart. Otherwise, those beneficial bacteria don't stand a chance. While these supplements can be incredibly beneficial, they're not magic bullets. Watch out for these red flags: persistent digestive issues that last more than 2 weeks, severe abdominal pain, unexplained weight loss, blood in your stool, chronic diarrhea, or constipation. These symptoms need proper medical evaluation. No supplement can replace that. Remember, your gut health journey is unique to you. These supplements are powerful tools, but they're still just tools. Use them wisely, and they can help you build a healthier, happier gut. Thank you for joining me on this journey through gut health. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button to help others discover it too. Share your own gut health experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear what's working for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health videos each week. Here's to nurturing those trillions of tiny helpers working hard to keep you well.